In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon App Gift Card. We will walk through redeeming your card in the Amazon Shopping app so the balance is ready for your next purchase. Open the Amazon Shopping app. On most phones, the icon has the Amazon word with a smile arrow underneath. When the app opens, you should land on the home screen with search at the top and product suggestions below. If your app looks different, check that you opened the main Amazon Shopping app, not a related app like Kindle or Music. Now sign in to your Amazon account. If you already see your name or a greeting at the top, you are likely signed in and can continue. If not, tap the Sign In button and enter your email and password carefully, then confirm. After signing in, you should see personalized recommendations and your name or a greeting, which tells you the balance will be stored on this account. Next, tap the profile or menu icon. On many phones, this sits at the bottom of the screen and might look like a person outline or 3 horizontal lines. When you tap it, a new screen opens with options like Your Orders, Your Account, and Lists. This menu is where Amazon hides most account and payment tools. From there, tap Your Account or Account. The wording can vary slightly between Android and iPhone, but both take you to the same place. On the account page, you will see sections for orders, login and security, and payments. Seeing these sections confirms you are in the right spot to handle gift cards. Under Payments, tap Manage Gift Card Balance. This section is dedicated to everything related to Amazon gift cards. On this page, you will usually see your current gift card balance at the top, often showing $0 if you have never redeemed one before. There may also be a history list of previous redemptions once you start using gift cards. Next up, tap Redeem a Gift Card. This button opens the screen where you can add a new card to your account. The Redeem page usually shows a box ready for a code and a small camera icon for scanning. If you accidentally tap something else, just go back and choose Redeem a Gift Card again. Now enter the claim code from the gift card, or use your phone's camera to scan it. Type the code exactly as printed, paying close attention to similar-looking letters and numbers. If your card has a scratch-off panel, make sure all characters are visible before you start typing. Using the camera option can prevent typing mistakes, and the app will show the scanned code on screen so you can double-check it. After that, tap Apply to your balance. When you do this, the app contacts Amazon and confirms the code. Within a moment, you should see a message that the amount was added, and the gift card balance number on the screen will increase by that amount. If the code has already been used or was typed incorrectly, the app shows an error instead of changing the balance. At this point, your gift card balance will be added to your Amazon account and will automatically be used for eligible purchases. You do not need to select the card again at checkout. Amazon simply deducts from the gift card balance first, then uses other payment methods if needed. You just learned how to redeem and use an Amazon app gift card, so the balance applies automatically at checkout. So if this helped you get your card working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Amazon app guides.